Grizzly Squad, it's your boy Grizzly Money. I'm back with another daggone video. So today, y'all, today, I'm gonna be meeting up with the crew. But first of all, oh, look at Black Beauty right here. Ooh, she clean. I gotta wash yesterday. Oh dang, you got some spots from the salt, because as you see, it's a bunch of salt. It's gonna snow tomorrow. It's supposed to be a winter storm, y'all. So I'm a little scared. Not gonna do a cold start on it right now, but what we are gonna do, we are gonna do a cold start on the Mazda 3. So let's see. This chick, I had to park her over here last night, man. It was no parking spots. That's what I wanted to say. I don't know what the heck I was about to say. Well, let me go ahead and start her up. She dirty because I've been driving the mess out of that joint. Alright, so y'all about to see me. I'm about to go to Charles' spot. He about to see about this check engine light. I got a few lights. I got the check engine light, the tire pressure. So I know I got to get the new tire sensors, and yeah, that's a seatbelt joint. So I got to get that. You know, I'm Bronco down. I got the Broncos pants. And I got the Broncos hat because it's cold. It is 31 degrees outside right now. So I see you at Charles' spot, y'all. Grizzly gang, it is so freaking cold outside, bro. I'm a tropical dude. I don't like this cold weather, but yeah, Charles, he got it off. It's nothing wrong with my car. No codes popped up or anything like that. I forgot to record. I'm extremely sorry, y'all, but no codes. But I do still have it's the TPMS, whatever, you know, that one right there. And then I got the I think that was for the airbag. I was messing with this one time and I did something, so I'll probably check it out later, but I need to get that fixed when I get my new rims and stuff. Like, yeah, my baby, she's good. You see how many miles I got on her? Yeah, I drive that joint, bro. And she's excellent. So I'm about to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm about to meet up with the crew. You know, we got my boy Monterey Hemi, shout out to him. We got my boy Hemi Muscle, shout out to him. We got my boy SRT Bone, shout out to him. We got my boy Pro Vezzy, shout out to him. And we got my other dude, we got my boy Hellcat TV. I don't know who's coming out, but you know, that's the crew, man. So but before we meet the crew, we're gonna go ahead and start up the famous, the most beautiful Black Beauty. Let's see. Get it, girl, because it's cold, so she should relax. And this ain't loud when you stand behind it. That's his theme, is not smoke. For all you haters. But today, y'all, I gotta talk to my dude. I gotta see if he's ready to do, oh, copyright music. I gotta see if I'm able to pick up the lettering to the back, the 300 and 300S. So I'm gonna see if I'm picked up. I'm gonna meet up with the crew, see what they doing, see what we talking about. And I think I'm gonna get like a driver review with my boy, man, Monterey Hemi. Cause he got the Pro Charger, and I haven't test drove with the Pro Charger. I texted one of his canned and everything, so I'm probably gonna test drive it. Cause I want to see how my 300 will feel when I get the Pro Charge, man. So that's gonna be real cool, and that's gonna be exciting. It's cold, so I know it's not even gonna be able to like stick or anything like that. It's 30 degrees out, man. It just keeps getting colder. It was 31, now it's 30 degrees. Bro, it's a freezing day. You see I got the hat on and I got the big coat, man. I got the thick coat with the goose feathers in the joint. Yeah, it's a cold day. And I probably even wear my boots today. When I come back in and chill with the family, we supposed to go out too. I'm gonna wear my boots. Cause it's cold out there, mother. Shit. Alright, so I see y'all when I get there. got? Yo. Alright, so yeah, it's cool. I think somebody just stopped. Probably loving the car, man. Whew. But yeah, we about to, I don't know when we about to get out the car, but I'm not getting out right now. It's cold as a mother. Oh yeah, y'all see my hat? Got my my Punisher hat, man. It's one of the warmest hats I got, man. And guess where I got it from? Five Below. That ain't warm as a bug. I do have other quality hats, but this is like my favorite hat because it got a little ball at the top, and it's just, it covers the ears like perfectly, like that. Boom, there you go. But I'm just talking stuff, man, and it feel good. I got the heat blowing, and I'm chilling. What's up, man? How you doing? Good, good. You guys subscribe to the channel, man? I see you guys subscribe to the channel.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah, we just chilling out here. We just meeting up, starting some content. What's up, man?
What's going on?
Man, not much.
Like I was telling him,
Uh-huh.
I got a couple of people that have cars like these.
Okay, okay.
And it's like, to be honest with you, all of them like the racing, do all that.
Right.
Do all of this stuff. Even the Amazon people over here.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we got Hemi Muscle here with his new Charger. That wide body thing. What they call them? Wide body killers? I'm a slim body killer. Yeah. I'm not a big boy, I'm a slim boy. Man, that thing hitting hard. Woo! Look at the flakes. Look at the flakes. Look at the flakes. Yes, sir. What up, my man?
Appreciate it. What's up, y'all?
What's up, dude?
What's going on, man? How y'all
Man, good. Woo, congratulations, bro.
doing? Man.
Yeah, no kidding.
Hard work pays off.
I know, right?
Hard work pays off, bro. Man, look at it in the sun, though.
I love it, man.
Oh, the flakes. I'll probably be in my house looking at my car the whole night. I gotta get these rock things from my car. So it's octane red?
Yeah.
Okay, octane red. Yes, sir. This thing is beautiful.
About an hour, hour and a half.
You got the new wide body Hemi Muscle. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to his channel, bro. Look at that thing, boy. He still got the daggone stickers on it, man. He ain't trying to take off nothing. He gonna keep everything new. Oh, man, you already doing mods to the inside. Okay, I see you. Brand new calipers, brakes, and all that jazz. See, I gotta get me some brand new calipers and brakes, bro. That joint's cool. Are you good?
I'll tell you, you can feel it.
We're good. All right. God, that thing is wild. Yo. So I think all the Mopars are here.
With cameras.
Yeah, with cameras,
Everybody's
man.
got cameras.
Yeah. Bro Vezzy wasn't able to make it, but I know he gonna be out next time, man. But yeah, we got everybody. And Hellcat TV. But yeah, Mopar Nation, man. That thing. So I know y'all seen this at Cars and Coffee, man. See, this ain't got the
nothing on this guy.
Triple Eights on that thing. Woo-wee. Pro Charger on there. Put that Pro Charger. Y'all remember seeing that, bro? We gotta definitely get a ride in this. Oh, you can't race? You can't wait? Racing season? Got the $100 bill. It's pretty cool, man. So I remember y'all seen it at the Cars and Coffee. Like I said, man, this thing is mean. It's super loud. Like when he press on the gas and everything, you feel it in your chest and your side, on your ribs, on your foot, and all that stuff. Yeah, but you know,
He do everything himself.
see everybody talking at once. I got everybody talking at once, but yeah, y'all, we about to just chop it up real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit, and hopefully I get some rides in. So yeah, we gonna go through them. Dude, look at the headers under this joint. Hold on. I don't know if y'all see them. Squat. Y'all see the headers? Them joints down there. All right, y'all. So I'll see y'all later.
Did the Modern Muscle 2618 drop-in pistons with the Manly rods, upgraded bearings on the rods. Did the MMX Max Effort supercharger cam. It's pretty close to their custom grind. Holly Sniper race intake manifold, nitrous outlets, 90 millimeter universal kit. Can't tune the car on nitrous just yet due to transmission slipping.
We'll get to that.
I have a 4 fuel system. It's the L4 setup. So it's dual Walbro 525s with their controller, their regulator, their fuel filter, ATI 18% overdrive dampener, ZPF or ZPE,
That's a lot.
Grip Tech pulley. I did 1 pulley down. We are at 10 pounds of boost, making 740 on pump gas, 800 on race gas, and probably close to 1,000 once the nitrous can be brought on. Outside of that, nothing else will change. Suspension's gonna have to change due to I do now have wheel hop at a 60 mile an hour roll.
You got these, man.
Yes, people are gonna say only 10 pounds, but remember that
Triple Eights. I want those.
So, with the stock intake manifold, they're down about 13, 14 pounds. Anybody interested in a full build list, I can give you a full build list and breakdown. I do have some custom things. It's not completely custom. I will show how the nitrous is set up. It's going to change.
Everybody in line, we looking for this. Try to see what's going on.
The nitrous is actually on a Holly NOS controller. It's all done by RPM. Nitrous cage is in here. Still on water meth for the street.
Okay. Interesting.
Carbon fiber to the car.
Yeah. Carbon fiber.
Got to get some looks with the speed.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, you gotta have both. Follow y'all on. Alright, so in the back, this is what it looks like in the back of a race car. The bottle was on the car, of course.
Wow.
But everything's on fused. Underneath you can see the fuel setup, the cables. All my wiring, the way I do it, is always off a fuse block, main line coming in, the fuse block and into the relays.
So that's nitrous right there?
No, that's water meth.
That's water meth?
That's just for
Okay.
the street.
Okay.
That's for when it's really hot outside and I want to keep detonation away on pump gas.
Okay.
When it's this cold outside, I don't need the water meth. It'll actually make the car stupid rich.
Oh, okay.
All right, as much as I don't want to do this, give us a start and a couple revs.
Yeah, do it again.
I'm
Do
gonna try and
it.
stay-
I'm not standing behind it.
I'm
You
gonna try
got.
and stay as close
You
as I can
crazy.
to say it's loud.
I know. Eardrum is probably jacked up right now, and
Said you can feel it in your chest. That stuff there is so deep.
yeah, my right ear jacked up, y'all.
Yeah.
I think I need something like that. I like it. I loved it. That's what I need.
Street,
Yes, sir. Archer Blakes.
track, run. New setup from F14s.
That thing's loud.
Still gonna run the Mickey R's in the rear. We're gonna try to stay on 17s as long as we can without going to a 15.
Okay.
I think it can be done if I don't leave stupid hard. Now, future plans for the car, since the transmission doesn't like nitrous, we're probably going to do a turbo 400 conversion.
Wow.
All right, so for you 8 HP 70 folks, so 5.764, right about 800 is where Mike hit the max with that transmission. It's
Fast
getting to the
as
point
crap.
where you're hitting
That's what it is.
800 and some change.
Fast as
rear
a mother.
wheel horsepower.
Look at the setup, though. Dude, this setup is mean. Oh, so that's for his nitrous bottle. Okay, I see what it is. You know, I'm thinking about like Fast and Furious, how they got the nitrous bottle in the inside and they twist a little knob and they press the button. I don't know if they press the button. I don't know how they do it. It's probably in there somewhere. We'll figure out. I'm gonna see if I get his test ride though.
This ain't about shake, make this all.